this is all I will spread. This is what I buy. Oh! Hey CVPs, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive and it's great to see you guys again tuning in to my YouTube channel, my CVP squad. So thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, I am so tired, as you can see. It's really early in the morning and I am already tired because I was editing all night, basically all night, the vlog for yesterday. Oh my gosh, like I don't want to complain, but to be a YouTuber, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. It's so much hard work. Oh, by the way, get your merch. Angelic Parrots.com, get your merch. Link is in the description and up here, the little cart. So, yeah, to be a YouTuber, what do I have to do? Guys, I'm telling you, it's hard work. And then uploading every day, geez, it really takes a toll on me. So I have to like experience awesome stuff every day. I go home in the evening, I have to import the footage, then I have to convert the footage, then I have to edit the footage, then I have to export it again and then convert it again to a MP4 and then upload it. That's a whole awful workflow. Where's my voice? It's a whole awful workflow and it's a lot of time. It's really time consuming and it's not easy. And then I have to upload it and then I have to design the thumbnail. And then I have to upload it, design the thumbnail and post it every day, over and over again, every day at 6 a.m. But guys, if you like my videos, it's worth it. It's so worth it. So thank you for watching it. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you for liking us and commenting it, because it's just so hard work. And then you get like comments from haters, which is like, they don't know how much work I put in, and then they just comment like, yeah, it's so easy to judge. It's so easy just to like hit the dislike button. It's so easy for you. You don't put any work in it. You just judge. Like, haters, you guys are losers. But anyway, so we have something awesome today. Check this out. Let's cover it up. So I found this card. And we're gonna go right now to Wells Fargo and return this card. Whoever lost it, it's probably missing it. So we're gonna go right now to Wells Fargo and tell them we found this card and return it to that rightful owner. So let's go. Hi, do I give this to you? Because I found this card in my driveway and I don't know who it belongs to. Okay. And I just want to return it to the rightful owner. All right, thank you. We'll go ahead and take care of it for you. Okay, and make sure the person will get a notification, right?
We'll go ahead and contact them.
Awesome, thank you. Bye. Okay, so we just gave it to those people, the bank people. They weren't happy that I was vlogging. Like, I was looking at them and you're like, I think bank people don't like to be filmed. Like, they're very sensitive because of all the financial institution thing. Well, anyway, we did it! Yay! We did something good today. Okay, guys, if you can do something good today for somebody else, be awesome. Help somebody else. Do a good deed. It will make you so much happier. I just want to say thank you for all our CVP squads who comment and who are so awesome. I just want to give right now some shout outs. Here are the awesome people who are posting awesome comments on our comment section. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome. You guys make my day. Julia, thank you. You're the best YouTubers. Thank you. I love that comment. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you for being my CVP squad. Thank you for being there. Thank you for watching my content. That means the world to me. So thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Love you. Mwah! So guys, I just got home from shopping. And I just want to show you what I buy for my birds. Alright, we have raw almonds. They love this. This is what I use for treats. Then we have sweet potatoes. We have broccoli. We have cauliflower, organic. We have corn. We got nice apples. We got nice organic pears. We got little oranges, mandarins. Hope loves it. We have bananas. We have even more broccoli. We have little peppers. We have squash. We have mango. And we have pears. And we have big oranges. So this is all our spread. This is what I buy. Oh, totally forgot. We have also lychees. Birds love lychees because they're really sweet and juicy. Yep, and there are the boys. Hope and Angel are somewhere up there playing. Where's Angel? Oh, there's Angel. And I just want to show you what I feed them. So this is Hope's dish. They're hungry. So it's really important that you feed colorful stuff. They have spinach, bananas, mandarins, peppers, and mango today. Oh, Hopey. So I'm going to put this in Hope's cage. And this is what Angel gets. This little bug gets so much. Guys, okay. Guys, don't fight. And Angel has apples, bananas, spinach, mangoes, mandarins. What do you think? Are you happy with this? Are you happy with your food? Yeah? Good. Let's put it in your cage. Go eat. Go eat. Go eat. And I wait till Angel gets into his cage by himself. Ow! Hoppy, stop it. I never bring him in. Ow! Go in your cage. Go in your cage. Yeah. Go in your cage. Go in your cage. Good boy. And now eat your food. Good boy. Now eat. And then Hope is getting his food right here. Come on. Go eat. Go eat, Hoppy. Good boy. Oh. Enjoy. He's hungry. So he's going first for the bananas. I'm going first for the bananas. Hope you? Yeah? Curious about the camera. Alright, we're gonna shut it off so you can eat in the room. Is peppers, broccoli, one lychee, sweet potatoes, this is baked, and spinach and mango. So, oh, and then we have to add some nuts in here. So this is Hope's, Destiny, Faith, and Angel. There we go. Hopey, come down. Come down. Go down. You want to come down and eat? Yeah. Oh, yum, yeah. He goes first for the lychee. Oh, lychee. Nice sweet and yeah. He likes to walk around and play with his food. You like to play with your food? Come on. Go up there. Go back up there. Go eat up there. Good boy. Yeah. Alright, Destiny. Go perch. Want to go up there? Yeah, go eat your lychee up there. Yeah, yummy? Is it yummy? He's He likes it. There you are. Hi, Destiny. Look what we have for you. Bottle bush. Yeah, bottle bush. Yum, 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 yum. Look, a whole bunch. See that? A whole bunch. Oh! Oh, come on. Give us a bottle bush. I know you want to. Oh! Oh! Yeah, bottle bush. Oh, you got your Oh, are you happy? Are you happy with Bottle Bush?